the Michelle Lovers. It is your girl Sid, and I am back with another video, y'all. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, you guys. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Okay, y'all, so as you see in the title, we about to get straight into it. This will be my first time doing a perm rod set on my hair since I've been natural, y'all. I've been natural for about what, 4, 5, 6 years now. So I'm curious to see how the outcome is going to come, and I'm ready to try, y'all. I'm kind of excited to see how my hair is going to turn out, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get straight to it. You see me looking this way, that means I'm looking at a mirror that's in front of me to help you see better. I mean, because how else am I going to see my hair? But yeah, y'all, this is the mirror, and as you see, my hair is all combed out, all brushed out and detangled. The items I'm going to be using in this video are the main essentials rollers, y'all. I didn't want really jumbo ones, so I sized down, and this is the kind that I have. As you can see, the width of the rollers isn't that jumbo, if you get what I'm saying. So I got two 12 packs of the rollers, which is 24, which I doubt that I'm going to use 24. I don't want to use 24. Next up, I have my foam. It is the Bronner Brothers foam. Next up, I have leave-in conditioner, y'all. I'm going to put this on my hair before everything goes down. Scrunchies, you're gonna need some scrunchies, and then I have my rat tail combs to kind of perfect my parts a little bit. And yeah, that's all you need, guys, to get started. As you guys see, I started doing the middle part. I made sure that it was perfect. You guys, I really was just trying to process how I was going to part my hair to make it easier for me. So I decided to do U parts. I felt like that would just be easier on me and faster. So as you see, I am parting everything. I decided to do 4 sections going across my entire head. Now you guys see I'm going in with my conditioner, and I'm going to put it all over on my section that I'm using at that moment. I made sure I detangled everything so that it'll be easier for me to part and roll. Now as you see, I am parting my sections. I decided to do 3. I didn't really want small sections. I made sure I did a generous amount of mousse on the part that I was going to be rolling up. So as you see, I'm just massaging it in, making sure every piece of my hair gets coated. I made sure I brushed it back out, and then I decided to start rolling the roller. It was kind of hard considering it was my first time. So the back, I did take a little bit more time doing that because I couldn't see it and it was in the back of my head, so it was kind of hard. But after I eventually got it and I was able to move fastly and work through my entire head. As you guys see, I was making sure my ends were wrapped perfectly around the roller. Then I continued by wrapping my hair around the roller, then rolling it back, and then I wrapped it again and rolled it back, just repeating the process until I couldn't no more. Okay, you guys, I am finally done, and it went by pretty quick, y'all. I would say maybe about 30 minutes. It didn't even take that long. I tried to make my parts as straight, but you know the back, you can never tell in the back unless you have a mirror back there. But for the most part, I made sure everything was even. And yeah, I really hope this turns out right, y'all. If it turns out right, I am going to cry, because you know.
Okay.
But anyways, I'm gonna let this dry overnight. I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I will come back to you guys in the morning time, and we will see the final results, y'all. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is the next day, y'all, and I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm honestly nervous right now because I've been outside walking my dog. I've been sweating, like, y'all, it is so hot outside, and my roots, it don't seem too like frizzy and puffy, but y'all, we finna see how this is supposed to turn out. I got my Jamaican castor oil. That's all that you need, some type of oil so that you can take out your hair and allow it to be less frizz. So we're gonna start doing that, y'all. I'm nervous, but let's get to it. Okay, let's see, y'all. No. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over it with some oil. And I'm kind of happy, y'all. The curls look pretty valid, y'all. It's probably the plucking out part for me. That's probably what's gonna get me, the plucking out part. Y'all, I just had to come back on camera. Look how beautiful the front is, y'all. Like, y'all can't tell me that this is not beautiful. It looks so much better than the back. Of course, I was struggling on the back, and that's what I did first. So that's why the back looks like how it does versus how the front looks. Y'all. Ah! Okay, bye, y'all. I'll be back. Alright, you guys. Look at it. Okay, y'all. We about to get to plucking out, and then we definitely gonna see how the finished product is then. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product, and do not tell me I did not go crazy with this, y'all. This is so freaking cute. I did such an amazing job. When I tell you, the curls is giving, the volume is giving, everything is just giving. The only thing I probably change, which I'm pretty sure it will drop, is the length of my bang. But like I said, I'm pretty sure it will drop come tomorrow. But y'all gotta like this video, and if you are new, you gotta make sure you subscribe just for this bomb hairstyle that I literally just did. Like, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.